Hey everyone, welcome back to TechGlob YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install local vocal transcribe. The purpose of local vocal allow you to transcribe audio speech into the text locally on your machine during live streams or recordings. It's like having an AI assistant right in your broadcasting setup. So let's get started. How to do it. Now I'm gonna go to download the plugin. So let's open the Google local vocal transcription OBS and hit enter. You can see the obsproject.com, and now here you can see there are few more updates. All right, so there are Mac OS updates and the Windows and Linux. Okay, so these are the updates here. So I'm gonna click on the Windows 64 installer.exe, and now the local vocal is getting download. Please wait until the download complete, and I'm going to open the download location and right click on run as administrator, and I'm gonna go to click on next, and this is the installation location. Okay, so if you want you can browse to any other location. Click on next again and next and install and click on finish. And as you can see, I'm gonna go to click on plus button and click on text GGI, and here I'm gonna type transcriptions. Click on OK, and let me type here test, so later we can change. And I'm gonna go to fonts. There are a bunch of fonts is available here, so you can select which one you want. Okay, I'm gonna go to Boroni MT and here text transform. There are uppercase and lowercase, start case. These are the options, and opacity, let it be 100%, and the background color you can change any other random. I'm gonna select, is it okay? And background opacity is 75 or 76. Okay, then the outer, let me adjust and click on the fonts, and here let me type 100. So here we can rearrange the text, and you can adjust the positions while starting the conversation better below. So, and let me remove the text, click on OK. So once you have done, click on plus button again and go to audio input capture, and we can start. And I'm going to select microphone, and now here you can see when we start conversation, automatically the text will be appear on the screen. Okay, so this is one of the good features. The local vocal is a fantastic tool for content creator who wants to accurate transcription without relying on external service, plus it's free, open source and privacy friendly. You can download more information and download the plugin from the OBS forum, or you can download GitHub repository. Okay, these are the settings we have covered in this section. And if you want to know more about this OBS Studio tools, please do comments in my channel so I can upload new tools content. Okay, so dear all viewers, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.